What if the life you're meant to live is only one click away? You've probably tried things that didn't work. Maybe you were promised quick wins and left empty-handed. Well, I've been there. But with the Legacy Builder Blueprint, it's totally different. Because it was actually created by someone who needed it to work. Now with the blueprint, you will learn the following. How to earn daily income online, even with very limited time. You will get the step-by-step guidance with no guesswork. And real freedom to care for your family and secure your future. Don't let rejection stop you. Let it redirect you to your breakthrough. Contact me via my website, my email, or by leaving a simple comment on this video if you want to join the Legacy Builder Blueprint today, because your next chapter starts now.